years ago, Hurricane Andrew laid waste to this town. And now Tammy's here to do it all over again. But this time, no one's gonna die.
You know those bumps in the road you hear about? Here they come.
You know, I think you're a little psychotic.
I think you're a little bit right. You one of those hurricane chasers?
No, I'm one of those meteorologists. Anybody chases hurricanes got a death wish.
Don't forget that 600 million is your responsibility.
Turns out I'm all right at babysitting old money.
So this is a federal facility. I need you to turn around now.
Why can't you open it?
Somebody change the code.
Agent Corbett, give yourself up!
Never do that to me again. We should take the fight to them.
No.
Angel.
How you doing down there, Brady? I'm just waiting for my quarterback to call the play. No! Beast. Devour everything in their path, and leave nothing but death and destruction.